गाइज वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरा नाम है चांदनी एंड मैं वीडियोस बनाती हूँ ब्यूटी, मेकअप, फैशन के ऊपर। सो अगर आपको इनमें से कोई भी टॉपिक पसंद है देन डू कंसीडर सब्सक्राइबिंग माय चैनल। एंड अगर सब्सक्राइब कर ही रहे हो तो बगल में एक बेल बटन भी है, उसे भी क्लिक कर दीजिएगा ताकि जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो डालूँ आपके पास उसकी नोटिफिकेशन फटाफट से आ जाए। सो गाइज आज का वीडियो होने वाला है एक रिव्यू वीडियो एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट ब्रांड का प्रोडक्ट। ओके, सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लोटस बोटैनिकल्स Bio-Retinol Youth Radiance Sleeping Mask. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. It's super green and you know the packaging is थोड़ा सा different. It's not exactly square, like थोड़ा सा ना अलग ही टाइप का है. It's very cute. I like it. Okay. So guys, this is how the tub looks like. It's super cute and also the color combination is very nice. It's green and it's something of goldenish color which looks very cute, and again a small ASMR going on which looks very cute. Okay, so let's talk about this cream now. So basically this is a 50 gram of package and it retails for rupees 695, and as the name suggests it is a sleeping mask. So obviously you have to apply it while sleeping, like सोने से पहले आप इसको as a thick layer apply कर सकते हो अपनी skin पे. And also guys, क्योंकि इसमें retinol है, so let me tell you retinol is very important for our skin, and also the best thing about and also the thing that makes this cream different from all the other retinol creams out there in the market or any retinol products is that this is a plant derivative Bio-Retinol. It has been derived from plant directly. It is not animal derived or anything. And also retinol is very important for our skin, guys. It's very important. If you are searching for a product which can actually fight your anti-aging and all that, now retinol has to be your best friend. And when it comes to retinol, I will definitely recommend this cream out here because it's very lightweight and it just hydrates your skin. ऑल्सो जब हम बात करते हैं ना एंटी एजिंग की, इन सब की, सो जो सबसे पहली वाली चीज होती है ना जो आपके एजिंग के फैक्टर को थोड़ा सा धीरे कर सकती है, वो होती है हाइड्रेशन. नाउ like I have seen this many times, like with many different people as well. Okay, उनको क्या लगता है ना, अगर उनकी स्किन ऑयली है तो they don't need any sort of creams or any sort of anything, like they are like अरे बाबा हमारा स्किन ही इतना ज्यादा ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करता है, we don't need anything. But that's such a big wrong thing. It's very wrong because no matter what kind of skin type you come from, it can be dry, it can be combination, it can be oily or sensitive or whatsoever, we need hydration. We really need hydration. Our skin needs hydration. Okay, and जब आपकी skin hydrated रहेगी ना तो आपका जो anti aging का प्रोसेस है ना वो अच्छे से काम करता है. अदरवाइज तो बुढ़े होने से कोई बचा नहीं सकता. लाइक एज तो ऐसे भी बढ़नी है एंड स्किन आपकी बहुत जल्दी रिंकल्स आने लग जाएंगे एंड ऑल दैट. सो रेटिनॉल इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. लाइक रेटिनॉल एज एन इंग्रेडिएंट वर्क्स अमेजिंगली एंड ऑल्सो द मार्केट इज फ्लडेड विद रेटिनॉल प्रोडक्ट्स. सो इट गेट्स वेरी confusing at times. Like I personally get very perplexed as in ki are baba which product to use, because there are so many brands coming every day in market these days and they're also doing amazing. Aisa nahi hai ki they are just coming and popping out, but they're actually doing great job. So I would definitely recommend this Lotus Botanicals Bio-Retinol Youth Radiance Sleeping Mask out here if you're someone who's actually thinking of going into and like starting your retinol journey. Now let me talk about retinol स्टार्टिंग में. ठीक है, जो रेटिनॉल होता है ना वो स्टार्टिंग में आपकी स्किन को थोड़ा सा वो करता है, लाइक आई वोंट लाई इट डज. ओके, बिकॉज वो स्टार्टिंग में आपकी स्किन को सूट होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट व्हेन इट एडजस्ट इटसेल्फ लाइक इट टेक्स अ वीक और 2, like 2 weeks तो इट टेक्स. ठीक है, उसके बाद में व्हेन इट एडजस्ट इन योर स्किन ना इट डज अमेजिंग जॉब. लाइक ना एज आई वाज टेलिंग दिस इज अ प्लांट बेस्ड थिंग, सो it has been derived from the vitamin A which is like really amazing, and it is also considered a holy grail for all things anti-aging and anti-acne. Also if you have got very oily skin or acne prone skin, now this has to be your best friend because it can help you get rid of them and just calm your skin down and all that. Also retinoids reduce fine lines and wrinkles by increasing the production of collagen. Now collagen is very important for our skin as soon as we start aging. Now like I hope you have seen babies का स्किन ना, इट्स सो प्लम्प, सो कुची कुची, बट आप थोड़े से जैसे जैसे बड़े होते जाओगे ना वो जो प्लम्पीनेस होता है, वो जो एक चब्बी क्यूटीनेस होता है ना, नॉट चब्बी लाइक दैट, प्लम्प सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग ना, it starts decreasing. Okay, so collagen is very important to like आप उसको खा भी सकते हो. Like there are many collagen powders available in market, you can have them also and you can also apply it on your skin, and it does great job. Okay, so retinol basically, you know, increases the collagen production of your skin, and it does amazing job. So this product is sulfate free, non-comedogenic and pH balanced, which is great, and it's for all skin types, and there's no toxic chemicals out here, and it is also certified safe cosmetics, and there's no preservatives also, which makes it even better. Now talking about its application, how I apply it, I'll let you know. Okay, so what I do is that I just cleanse my face at night with a very mild kind of a face wash, and then I just like apply some of my toners and all, and then I directly go to this baby out here, and it just makes my skin so plump. The other day, like next day when I wake up now, I'm like, oh my god, my skin is looking so plump and beautiful. So definitely I love this product out here. Also, this product is paraben free, mineral oil free, and 100% vegan, cruelty free and recyclable also. Also guys, when you apply it now, don't forget your neck, because your neck tends to show your aging thing सबसे पहले, like neck and the back of your hand. Okay, यहीं पे ना सबसे पहले बुढ़ापा झलक के आता है. So make sure आप इन सब areas को भी ना छोड़ो, यहाँ पे भी आप अपनी क्रीम को अच्छे से लगाओ. Now let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so it comes like this, and इसमें आपको ये ऐसे एक ऊपर ये भी मिलता है ताकि अच्छे से ये वो रहे. So guys, the texture, this is how the texture looks like. It's very lightweight. Okay, like it's very lightweight, it's very creamy, and it just hydrates your skin. And the smell is, oh wow, it smells so good. Like there's something, a very floral kind of a smell, which I'm loving, but it's not overpowering, which is great, because there are people who are allergic to fragrance and all that. So fragrance है इसमें, I won't lie, but काफी हल्की सी है. So within a minute और कुछ ना वो आराम से आपकी चली जाएगी. So it's good, and you can see like बात करते हुए 10 seconds ही हुई है, और ये already ना मेरे skin के अंदर जा चुकी है. And also it's giving a beautiful shine. This tub retails for ₹695, and it's gonna last you a month आराम से, या फिर उससे भी ज्यादा लास्ट कर सकता है. 1 या 2 months आपको आराम से लास्ट करेगा. So it's a good investment for your beautiful skin. So guys, this product out here gets a 5 out of 5 from my side, because it's actually very beautiful, looks very luxurious. Okay, and yeah, you can go and try it, and also you can buy it from different sites. Like you can get it from Amazon, Flipkart, and many Nykaa, Purple, and so many places as well. Also you can get it from Lotus Botanicals site, and you can use this code out here and get amazing discount as well. So what are you waiting for guys? If you want to try it, then definitely go and try it. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही, आज का रिव्यू वीडियो बस यही था. So I hope आप guys अच्छे होंगे, सब कोई खुश होंगे एंड सब कुछ. So guys, मेरे चैनल पे यूं ही बने रहिए, and I'll see you in my next video. And also if you guys aren't following me on my Instagram, then that's my Insta ID. Make sure you go and follow me there as well, because that will mean a lot to me. So yeah, see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.